Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ready to create your first course on Teachable? Let me walk you through the complete beginner setup. First, log into your Teachable admin dashboard. On the left sidebar, click Products, then New Product. Select Course as your product type. Give your course a clear, compelling name, something students would search for. Now you're on the curriculum page. This is where you build your content. Click Add Section to create your first chapter. Name it something like Introduction or Module 1. Inside your section, click Add Lecture. This is your first lesson. Name it Welcome to the Course. Now add your content. Click inside the lecture and choose what to add. Upload a video, add a PDF, or write text. For your first lecture, a short welcome video works great. Keep adding sections and lectures until your course is complete. Aim for 10 to 20 lectures total for a beginner-friendly course. Next, go to the Sales page tab. This is where students decide to buy. Edit the headline, add a description, upload a course image, and list what students will learn. Finally, go to Pricing and set your price. For your first course, try $47 to $97 to test the market. Click Publish at the top of your course page. Your course is now live and ready for students, and that's it. You've just created and published your first course on Teachable. If you create your first course, let me know what topic you chose in the comments. See you in the next one.